Welcome, everyone. This is Grand Master Dr. Thor Templar here, and I'm going to introduce you to next level technologies. You know, I spent all my life developing energetic fields that you can bring into your life to change that, regardless of how successful or you are or what kind of training you have. If you're not empowering what you're doing, you will fail. Or you're certainly not going to get up to the level that you can. There's an awful lot of competition out there, and you need the edge. The edge is subtle energy physics, of which I have a doctorate degree in. So the point is that this advanced technology is being brought to you slowly by my organization and my Institute of Technology, and you can now benefit from it. I consider this 25th century technology. It's very, very advanced. And you know, we're still using 19th century technologies. I mean, most of the developments we have been invented or brought to the public over 100 years ago. And new technologies that were developed even in the 60s, like holographic images, which Disney had in 1964 in the Haunted House, are still not available to the public. So while certain things get to the public sooner than they did in the past, they're usually improvements on technology we already have. Another app. Do we have enough apps? They do everything, including burp you. So the whole idea is that, you know, apps, putting your phone book, putting the yellow pages, or otherwise known as a phone book, in your phone, being able to get onto certain places. Well, these are all little helps, but there's no difference. I used to carry phone books with me. It's certainly nicer to have it in my phone to a certain extent. So the whole idea is there's a lot of those things there, but they're not new developments. It's not new technology. Next level technologies are about using these subtle energy fields that surround us, the really important fields, the fields of health, well-being, success, charisma, you could call this. You know, why do some people have more charisma? Why are some people healthier than others? And there is an energetic field with all these people. So you need to reproduce that. How do you do that? Well, one of our great new tools here that is inexpensive is called an audio amulet. That's right. Well, it's called that because you get a lecture on a particular subject matter, but this is part of it, which is the actual part of playing the CD. But what you get is an actual CD, a CD case, but it's not just a CD case. We've used subtle energy physics to create sacred geometry, special designs, special images put together that create energies. These are very powerful. The shape of something, the image of something puts out energy. Now, we've added to this energetic factor by the fact when you play the actual CD and you spin the sacred geometry image, it fills your room. As such, it's transferring those energies into your all-important occult energy fields, charging you up for whatever that particular audio amulet is for. It could be success, it could be healing, it could be love drawing, it could be to uncross yourself, take the negativities away. So all of this are powerful tools which will dramatically give you that all-important edge in life that you need. You need a serious edge in life so that you can beat the overfunded, overqualified competition, whatever that may be. This could be just in relationships. This could be at your job. This could be general success, success in sports, success in trading. Whatever you're doing, you have to have an edge if you're going to be successful. And this is why so many people fail. They don't have the edge. Well, now you do have the edge. It's called an audio amulet. These are fantastic tools. They're super easy to use. Like everything else that I particularly design, engineer, and test, and everything's been tested and proven to work. They do work, and they work at different levels for everyone because people have different, quote, channels where they can draw things to them. Now, if you don't have ways of things coming to you, well, it doesn't matter how much energy I pump at you. You need to have some way for it to get to you. So having channels is important for massive manifestations fast. Things usually manifest anyway, but it's going to take time, and you're going to have to break open unusual ways of things coming to you, whatever that may be. But this simple system of using powerful images, in the occult tradition, these are called sigils, and they produce certain types of energy. So let's say that you are looking for success. Well, there are things that bring success to you, that generate those energies. And these are placed in the case. The case is made up of all energetic positive images. Then it's the CD itself, which has a super powerful image on it, which you do two things with. As I just mentioned, you play it and you just sit there. Now, you don't even have to listen to it. Just play it in the room, turn it down. You probably don't want to hear my lectures over and over again. One time's enough. But you just do that while doing other things and just allow the energy to come to you. You could be meditating, doing something quiet. Just play it, the volume down. And the energy will fill the room, permeate this, and start creating this very strong, powerful, drawing, magnetic, subtle energy physics field. And when this is created, things start to come to you. Now, it's a process because you have to break down all the blockages in your life, which probably are very large. And you can have these checked for free by using the contact down below, and we will check your energy fields for free. Do you have serious blockages? Now, most people do. Everybody has them to a certain extent. Some people have very serious blockages, and we can test that by you contacting me, sending me a photograph through email, and I can check these for you. Also, make sure that you subscribe and like my audio here. This is important to keep the work going, or I'll do something else. So, the whole idea is that having this kind of a simple, inexpensive tool is such a breakthrough that it is mind-boggling. Now, so much out there's the same old, as you said, the old technology which we still don't have today, like holograms, which are now, 40, 60 years ago? Holograms were made working and have been in use, yet we don't have it. And so many other technology. We have a bunch of junk technologies. So this is really next level technology where it really counts, which is you. Why are some people more successful than others? A lot of very successful people are stupid. I mean, literally stupid. Yet they have these natural energetic fields around them that draw to them success and the people they need to make them successful. You can reproduce this. And of course, this depends on yourself. Everybody gets some sort of benefit. Some get high, some get low. And if you use them consistently, everybody gets a good benefit from these products. These will change your life and how much easier it can get. Now, there's one other fantastic feature to these. The audio amulet, when not in use, which will be most of the time, I guess, you will place a photograph of yourself in the case. It should be an instant or Polaroid picture. These hold energies while digital pictures don't. You just place a photograph in there, close the case. Now you have a beautiful image there on a very small package that can be even carried with you if you want to. They can be placed anyway. A CD case is very small, very easy to handle, very easy to store. You could literally have hundreds of these in your CD arsenal to empower you for everything. All you need to do is insert that photograph. Take the CD and play it daily, as I've stated. And this is 25th century technology, people. There is no hard work in terms of it. You have to let the energies penetrate you. They have to work through blockages. This does take a little bit of time depending on your situation. But if you're in a big deal, you need this kind of energy around you. If you're going to try and everything from getting into a college to starting a new job or getting a job, you need this energy. You want to increase the money you're making in business, you need this technology. It's super easy. It's low cost. What are you waiting for? This is 25th century technology. While everybody's trying to sell you some variation of old junk technology, some new stupid phone or some new computer program, we have made the step into next level technologies, the technologies that manifest, the technologies that heal, the technologies that bring you great success. They're here now. Make sure you use the link and check out all these amazing tools.